Hello. We are trying.
Taste testing.
Yeah, we are taste testing. Freeze-dried sweets.
Freeze-dried sweets from Exploded Sweets from Etsy. Oh no, what's that? Oh, it's a refresher. What do you think?
Oh my.
No,
Yeah.
no.
No, you try it. Try it, Eva. You haven't tried it. Just a little tiny bite. You like it? Do you like it? It's exploding out of the packet. Let's have a look.
So, I give that.
Exploding.
I just give that about an 8 out of 10.
Yeah.
Ooh, Skittle. Oh, that one Mum would like. It's green.
Oh, green Skittle. I like the refresher.
Yeah, fresh.
Try the Skittle.
Anyway, blackcurrant fruit Nutella.
Nutella.
It's really hot.
Papa.
What do you think, Maya?
Oh, you're gonna get one. No, I like red.
You already tried the Skittles. You love them, don't you, Eva?
Oh, I got green and orange. And
Oh, I will take all of your greens. I love the green.
Yeah.
What do you think, Maya? What's your rating out of 10
It's
for
really hot,
Yeah.
and it doesn't really have any taste. So
Okay.
really just a 1 out of 10 because it has a tiny bit of taste.
Yeah.
It's a
Okay.
1 out of 10.
Okay. So, Eva,
More fruit
what
salad.
are you eating? You're just eating Skittles, Eva.
Wait, I'm just gonna
No,
snack on
I
this.
have one Skittle.
Yeah. So we tried a marshmallow, and we all agree that it tastes like a marshmallow that's stale and it rolled under the sofa a month ago, and
And now we're
it's
eating it.
disgusting. Just tastes like those
It just
chalk
tastes
sweets.
chalky.
Yeah, those pretend cigarette chalk sweets. They're gross.
I
But you
love
like the refresher. Oh my gosh, I love the refresher. Yummy.
Look.
You've got more refreshers. There's one here too.
Yeah, that's Eva's one.
I'll have this one.
I took
So
a
good.
giant bite out of it. Come on.
Pressure.
Look.
Oh,
Wait,
It's
Mum.
really full.
Mum,
exploded
it
out the
actually
packet.
came right
Oh!
out of the packet.
I went all over you too.
Huh?
I went all over you and all over your leg.
It came out chalky. It's like I'm eating chalk.
Yeah.
Mm.
I like those. I like those. They're really yummy. Wish we had a freeze-dried machine. We could just make these
Yeah, that's what I
ourselves.
said to you.
I know, but they're really expensive. I had a look. For like thousands.
I
Look.
don't like this one. It's
Well,
too
it's
big.
mine now. Yummy.
Yeah, you want that.
Oh. A hole in the middle.
Tastes like an orange, but real like a dried orange.
What is it? Okay. Frutella orange flavour.
Yeah.
Oh
Okay.
my
Just
gosh,
looks
I have
like a
bunch
dried
of
orange.
Skittles
Yeah.
at the bottom.
Yeah, they're quite small, so they just fall off to the bottom, don't they?
Yeah, so I'm gonna give this. I don't really like oranges.
That's
I'm
a
just gonna
red.
give it a 4 out of 10. It's fine.
That
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'll have the red. I like the red ones.
Hand them over to me.
I don't really like the reds anymore.
No?
I say the reds are fine. I like reds more than purples. Ooh, nice. I will. Oh no, I don't.
You don't like the
Look at
drumsticks?
marshmallow.
I prefer the... I prefer the pink side. Maybe try the
Oh.
pink side?
No, I don't like the pink side.
I'll try the
side's
pink
horrible.
side.
Mum, we got stuck.
That's kind of gross, yeah.
Mum, this is
Yeah, drumstick squishies taste really strange, don't they? Tastes a bit burnt almost.
Yeah, it does actually.
That's actually not nice at all, is it?
No.
purple.
The carmine flavour is coming out of the pink extra. You know, the squash bugs, the red bugs.
Another one.
Ugh,
And
gross.
this one was actually burnt. Look at it.
No, let me have a look. Oh yeah, it's burnt.
I have a bunch more fruit salads for you, Mum.
Mum, it fell down like private part.
Private part. I don't know.
No, I'm eating that one now.
Oh, it wasn't burnt. The worst flavour ever was on it. Do you want me to tell you what flavour was on there?
What flavour?
Blackjack.
Ugh!
So licorice, basically. It was so bad. That's why they taste bad. They're like, must have been mixed with blackjacks. Gross.
Oh, I got sweet sauce stuck in my teeth. And
Yeah.
a bunch of different flavours as well. Not just one.
Oh no, they
Actually, I'll taste
merged.
that purple. Here you go, Mum. There.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, I thank you. It was definitely going to upset our teeth.
Yeah, I'll have cavities tomorrow.
I can't even get these apart. My own again.
Do you want me red?
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
I can't eat any more sweets right now, Maya. Please don't pass me more.
Definitely a purple.
That is a pebble. Let me see what else. Is there anything? No, it's just squishies and.
I don't like
No.
the squishies.
I don't know.
They're fit.
Okay, let's not swear, please. Thank you.
Not on camera.
Never. Oh, lovely. Another terrible marshmallow.
There isn't enough sweets for me. I'm dying.
Do you know, I think I prefer the refreshers the most.
Yeah, I like
They're probably my favourite. And then, these were really nice.
I'd say
The Frutella strawberry.
I'd say my favourite are the Skittles and my second favourite are the Refreshers.
Yeah. Refreshers. Can eat the refreshers now.
I obviously give the Skittles a 10 out of 10. And I give the Refreshers a 9 out of 10.
I could eat these refreshers all day.
Like I said to me, Maya, I can't eat any more sweets right now. And now no one asks you to
I think
eat
it's because I've been
Refreshers
handed
and
so many
those.
green sweets. I
Oh.
just got really sick of them. Yum yum. Very yummy.
It's your fault. You keep telling everyone you like
I do love them.
I only swear on camera. This is my first day swearing on camera.
Okay, let's not be proud of that, Eva.
Yeah.
So, is freeze-dried sweets everything you'd hoped it would be?
Some of them, no.
No.
Oh my
such
God.
alarm.
Well, write these off.
Don't you know, Eva?
Oh, Eva.
Eva.
You're disgusting.
I'm actually going to eat those. Don't you gross spitty one. Thank
You're
you.
disgusting, Eva. There's enough sweets for me.
You're not
That's
disgusting.
my private bowl, right when I had a drip of pee.
Great.
What the bejesus, Eva? Oh, I'm so
And
tired
when
of
you
eating
look
sweets.
again,
Oh, I'm
there's
dying.
another
Oh,
Are you
one.
sick of them?
Oh.
Me too. No more
Yeah,
sweets for
I've
me.
had too many. I guess what I know what I'm going to be having for breakfast tomorrow.
No, thank you.
Oh.
No.
No.
Stop swearing.
Sugar.
I got this one, but look.
What's that? No, it's
Ooh, it changed colour.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm always act like I'm the best. I'm definitely wearing a real face mask right now. Real. Definitely. Real.
UK. UK there.
No. Please help. Send help.
Send help. I want more refreshers. They're so yummy.
Yeah, they are really good.
More refreshers for me.
It's because they're not green, they're yellow.
You can even try them either. I don't know why I like them. There's some
I like how
about
you
them.
like green sweets, and my favorite color is green.
And you don't even like the blue sweet. I said green sweet.
Oh.
I said green sweet. Right. I said you. I said you hated the green sweet. That was that.
Okay, no more fighting, girls. You're both grounded.
Come on, Eva. Oh.
No, she can't. She's a handicap
Oh, yeah,
today.
she can't.
She literally has a broken hand. Don't you, Eva?
Oh.
My finger hurts.
Yeah.
Ah, great. It was a bit of refresher and it crumbled everywhere.
Mm.
In my lap. Great.
Are you okay, Mother?
No. More
Yeah, I'm
masticine.
done with these. There's only a squishy and a few Skittles.
Yeah.
I am way too full of sweets.
Yes.
Me not to touch it. Me not to touch it ever again.
I am way too full of sweets.
Me too. I feel pretty sick.
Can I just tell you something?
We did. We did just review it, didn't we? Also, we've eaten most of them. Can't really review them if we've eaten them all.
No, like we're gonna like show this whole the packets to them and like tell them what flavors they are.
Please help me.
I think Maya is dying. Maya's dying from sickness.
Because I had a lot of sweets.
That's probably not a good thing, but okay. You want to say bye now?
I'm having a fruit.
Okay. You can have a... Okay. Okay, I think we're done now, aren't we?